Trading DeFi tokens built on Ethereum right now is very dangerous because gas fees are so high, and these fees will eat at your profit. But of course, I'm not only here to tell you the problem, I'm here to tell you how to fix it. Welcome aboard the Bitcoin Express. My name is Chase. Let's get to it. Trading on a decentralized platform right now is just not profitable. If you want to make a simple swap on something like Uniswap or within your MetaMask wallet, you're going to pay an Ethereum gas fee of $100 or more. Now imagine doing 2 or 3 trades in one day. That's $300 down the toilet. Earlier we spoke about how you can reduce these fees, maybe take off 10% or 20%. But at the moment there is no way to get rid of it in total, because the demand for Ethereum right now is just too high. But there is a fix. There is a way you can get around these high fees. Any token that you think you are going to get involved in, that you're going to trade, make sure that it's also available on a centralized exchange. Now, I know the whole point of DeFi is that you don't want centralized exchange. You want to hold it on your own. You don't want any middleman. But you're going to save a lot of money if your coin is also available on a centralized exchange. Again, you don't have to hold it there. Just make sure that it is an option. Now, if you're talking about the blue chips, such as Uniswap, Aave, and Synthetics, and so on, they're available on centralized exchanges. And this is how it fixes the problem. Let's say you have Uniswap and you want to swap it for maybe some Ethereum. You go and do this on a DEX, it's going to cost you $100. Maybe you save some money and you pay $80. Still very expensive. Now, the simple fix is if you have a centralized exchange, you take your Uniswap, you send it to the centralized exchange, you might pay a network fee of $5, $10, maybe $15 because it's a much more simple transaction. And then once it's on the exchange, you can go ahead and trade it. And if you send it to an exchange with low fees, you might pay 0.1%, 0.5%. You're saving a lot of money, right? Instead of paying $100, you're paying a one-time fee of $10, maybe $15. And then once you're in that platform, you have much cheaper trading. So something like Uniswap is available pretty much everywhere. You can get this on Coinbase Pro, you can get it on Kraken, Crypto.com, they even have it on Gemini. So it's available in most places. Talking about something like Aave as well, another DeFi giant, you can get this on Coinbase Pro, you can get this on Crypto.com, you can get this on Kraken. I don't believe it's on Binance US, but you'll have your options in case you ever do want to sell it. I don't know why you would sell it. We've been talking about Aave since it was under $100, so just saying in case you do want to trade your Aave. Same thing with Synthetics, right? So I can't go over every single coin. There are so many coins out there. So if you're watching this video and you want to know if your coin is available on a centralized exchange, go to CoinGecko, scroll down to market, and you can see all the exchanges that your coin is trading on. And you also have to worry about whether it's accessible to you if you're living in the United States. If you're outside of the United States, luckily you have Binance.com, which is different than Binance US. Binance.com does have a support for most of these cryptocurrencies. So again, we're talking about the blue chips, Maker, Aave, Compound, Uniswap, Curve, Finance. Same thing with Compound. You can find this in most places. Remember, you don't have to keep it on the centralized exchanges. This is just in the event that you do want to sell it and do trade it. You won't be paying a fee of $100. Instead, you'll pay a fee of total maybe $10 to send it to the exchange, and then maybe just a few dollars here and there on the exchange. So these are the big coins, but what about the small coins? Well, this can be a problem. When we talk about some smaller but popular coins such as MahaDAO, it's really only available on decentralized exchanges. You can get it on a centralized exchange, except they're not available to people that live in the United States. Same thing with Parsec. You can trade this on a DEX, but if you want a centralized exchange, you'll have to go to OKX or something like Poloniex. Again, not available to people that live in the United States. Same thing with API3. There are so many coins, so like I said, go to CoinGecko, check the market, see if it's available. So if you're holding these smaller coins and you want to trade it or get rid of it, unfortunately, you will be paying high fees. So I'm not saying you should not get involved in it, but just be aware before getting in. You might make a massive gain on one of these coins, and then maybe you want to take profit, or maybe it's dropping in value and you want to get rid of it. But in the end, you're going to pay a fee of $100. And the way the bull market is looking right now, this can get even higher. So a simple fix. Make sure the coin you want to get involved in is available on a centralized exchange, because it's not about how much money you make, it's about how much money you keep. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you next time.